Hello everyone and welcome to our live trade today. Today we're going to trade the US NASDAQ, US Tech 100 as it's often known. The date today is 6th of September 2022. You're welcome to use your platform and check out the trade we took. We traded using the 1 minute scalping strategy. We prefer 1 minute strategy ourselves. You have far less risk. You can get in, take your trade, and you can get out with your profit without facing too much risk. We traded at $50 a pip and we managed to net $7,500 on this trade. $7,500 banked. We used a trading system. We always recommend you follow a trading system. When you're trading with a system, you're not trading blind. You're trading with firm rules and structure. You eliminate guessing and mistakes. You have a much greater chance of succeeding as a trader. For certain, you will be more profitable. One important aspect when you use a system is it's far less stressful. If you don't have a system, you might just end up gambling. You'll be guessing and this might lead to mistakes. So we do recommend you follow a system. We use Smart Forex Trading System. It has 3 parts to it. Let me now explain these parts to you. The first part is called Smart Trend. I'll load that up. Please don't worry what all the lines mean just for the moment. I will explain it fully. The important thing to understand is always trade with a trend. You will have heard this many times. The trend is your friend. So if you have an indicator or system that can help you identify a trend, get into a trend early and ride the trend, you will always be profitable. So a trend following indicator is really very important part of any system. Let me load up the next part. Here I go to indicators, my scripts, and I'm going to load Smart Buy Sell. Smart Buy Sell is quite simple and straightforward. It has buy points, sell points. Blue line is an uptrend, yellow is a downtrend. I will again explain it in full details in just a moment. I just want to show you the 3 indicators that we use in our system. And the final indicator we have is Smart Blocks. Here, Smart Blocks is nice. It's green and red, and though it looks very simple, it is a very powerful algorithm, and it's very useful as an exit indicator. If you're a trader, you will know it's often difficult to know when exactly to exit, as Smart Blocks is a tool that we use for exiting our trades. Now let's have a look at each part in turn. I'll take this off. I'm going to take the Smart Buy Sell off, and I'm going to just change this blue line. I'm going to change this to green. If you could just follow with me here. I'm going to make a quick change. The important things to note with a smart trend is this cloud area. This cloud area is now green. This cloud area is red. When the market price is above the cloud, we go long. We have a buy trade. When the market price is below the cloud, we go short. So that's an important rule, a simple rule to understand. Here we have a fast trend line. We have a slow trend line. The fast trend line will break first, and it can be an exit point for you. So you can enter here, you can exit here. The slow trend will generally show the trend for the day, so that this will change much slower and later. But by this time you should be out of your trade here with the fast trend. We have an arrow here. This arrow is a very conservative entry point, and we'll show you how to use that with the buy sell indicator. Let's bring back the buy sell. Smart buy sell is straightforward. The blue line is a buy, yellow line is a sell, buy flag, sell flag. Simple and straightforward. The smart buy sell is a little bit more aggressive, so this is good if you're an aggressive trader. You can jump into your trade early. If you're conservative, you can wait for the green triangle I mentioned a moment ago. So this is a conservative entry point. This is an aggressive entry point. It will depend on your style of trading, you can take either. We prefer conservative entry. We like everything confirmed. We want a good, peaceful, easy trade, and here we will wait for a conservative entry generally. Let me now bring back our third indicator, which is Smart Blocks, which I showed you a little bit earlier. Once you've entered a trade here, you can do your early entry, conservative entry, you're in a trade, everything's running smooth, you're flying nice. But where do we exit? You can exit when you have a good account balance showing, of course. That's what a lot of us do. When we see money, we want to bank it, we take that. Or you can wait till Smart Blocks changes color. Here we have green, 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 green. Everything's good. We're riding the trend. Green, 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 green. All is good. And the moment a red block shows up, we will exit the trade here. So simple and straightforward. And this is the Smart Forex Trading System, which is used by over 90,000 traders to trade successfully. Now let me show you the trade that we took today. Now let me show you the trade we took on 6th of September, US NASDAQ. It's in the afternoon. We are on British summer time. Here we are waiting for a confirmation. We want all our indicators to line up and be synchronized before we take the trade. The market is ranging. We have no cloud here, so when there is no cloud, the market is ranging. The market is in the cloud here. Can you see this? This is the cloud. We do not take a trade. The market must be below the cloud or above the cloud before we enter trade. Here, the market has broken through the cloud. We'll be looking for a trade. Now, we are interested in placing a trade. The market is moving back into the cloud. We will wait. We'll wait for a moment. Here we have a confirmed trend. We have a sell. And we have blocks are red. Now we are very, very interested. We've got a sell flag. We are going to trade. We have now placed our trade here at this point. 12.085. This is our entry, 12.085. The market is below the flag. Blocks are red, yellow on the buy sell. We have a nice clear flag. We are trading well. We are now going to ride this trade. We will now wait for an exit point. We need blocks to change to green, or our account is showing significant returns. Again, we entered at 12.085. We're heading nicely, 1950, and here we exit. There's our exit point, exit here. We have a lovely trade. Let me just show you that trade from this point to 11,950, and we have just banked $7,500. Very, very successful trade, excellent trade. We use the Smart Forex System. We had 3 components to it. Important parts to understand was the smart trend. The trend showed us a sell trade, smart sell. We had a sell flag, and we took the trade when the market was below the cloud. Blocks was red, sell line, and below the cloud. Very, very successful trade, easy to follow. When you have a trading system, trading becomes really, really easy. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we look forward to showing you some more live trades very, very soon. Have a lovely day. Thank you. Bye.